Hi guys, this is from my daughter to my loving mom. You cannot see it because it's shiny. It's very special, so I'm so excited to see what's inside it. Guess what, guys? I don't know. I'm so excited. I can see.
It's because it can peek it now.
The opener.
Oh no! What is this now?
A lizard.
Oh, it's a lizard.
Bro, you're
So
good.
nice.
That curly
That
bit
way.
is the tail.
Like that.
No.
Like that.
Yeah.
Ah, look guys, it's a lizard. Thank
The
you.
long bit is the tail.
It's very nice lizard. You're very artistic, Nat.
And then there's another one.
And then there's a letter to my mom.
They can't see it.
Then there's eyes. You are to mom. You are the best mom ever. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year from Denise. Kiss, 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 kiss.
There's
Love, love,
thousands
love.
of kisses on it.
Thousands of kisses. Thank you, Denise. And then there is a family photo inside.
It's not a photo, it's a picture.
A picture, a photo picture the same. So cute.